Sorry for keeping you waiting. Yeah, I'm fine.
No problem. Okay. So till now we have discussed all these topics. Uh,
Yes.
Overview, archive doc types, Vim rules, Vim process types, process object, DCID, DP doc type, scenarios. Right. Then we have discussed the logic module, then background execution of process types and all. Then we have discussed the PO invoice approval configurations. How do we do it? Then the line item determination, the rollout criteria, and the blocking process. Then in the last session, we have discussed on the non-PO process flows, right? Uh,
Yeah.
how do we do the configuration? So I have created the DP doc type and all, and where I have assigned all the process types and all, and we have discussed without approval how can we process the non-PO invoice, correct?
Yes.
So this is basically we have covered it so far, right? Now
Yes.
today, the most important topic is basically the how to trigger the approval workflow for the non-PO scenario. And this is something which like most of the company basically go with this open text solution just for the non-PO, like most majority, the reason is uh, obviously the better control and also the non-PO approval scenarios. How can we map it in the system and how system automatically identifies the approvals, right? So,
Okay.
so this is the most important thing basically. If I talk from the open text Vim perspective, and if you go for any interview or something, so people will always ask you about this non-PO scenarios.
Okay.
How do we take the approvals? What are the configuration which we have to do it and all? Okay, so this is a very very important thing. So,
Okay.
so today we are going to discuss on those part.
Okay. You're recording, right?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
recording.
Fine. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, so like few of the important points basically before we proceed further, like just to you can just use to with those terminology before we move further. So all the two series are standard non-pure process types, correct? For
Yeah.
automatically triggering the approval workflow, we should use 250 process types. Approval required NPO. So this is a standard one, right?
Okay.
If you remember, even though like for the PO-based approval process, what is the process type standard?
One
150.
150. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
and
Just do
here
it.
it's 250.
Yeah. Just 250. Once for the PO side. This is
Correct.
what. Yeah.
So if you remember also for one PO-based approval, I have told you about one table basically, which we need to maintain it for like in the like as a PO number ranges. Correct.
Hmm. Yeah.
Then only for those scenarios, your workflow is going to trigger.
Hmm.
Correct.
Yeah.
So same thing also goes with the non-PO. So we have the concept of the expense type in the non-PO.
Okay.
Okay. So expense type basically what it will do is like so we have to activate against your expense type whether the approval is required or not. Okay. So that we can activate it. So the table basically which we need to use is slash ors slash expense underscore type.
Okay.
Okay. If the expense type is not activated, then the process type 250 for NPO approval will not be shown as exception.
Hmm. Okay.
Correct. The same thing I
Okay.
have shown you for the PO invoice approval, where if the PO number ranges are not maintained in the table, then yeah, your exception will not be triggered at all. Right.
Yes.
Then there is a T code slash ORS slash UM reassigned for which we can make a substitute. This is also one of the important transaction code for you to remember it. Might be as a part of the support incidents if come or something. So what
Yeah.
happened basically, like some of the requester basically, for example, like when we are having the Christmas and Christmas and New Year period, right? So
Yeah.
most of the people take some two weeks leave and all, right? So
Hmm.
at that point of time, if any invoice comes and it is very near to your payment terms,
Hmm.
due date, correct?
Yeah.
Then, but we cannot hold it for long because if we will not pay to the vendor, then we have to pay some additional cost or something can be happened as per the legal requirement, correct?
Hmm.
So in such cases, basically what what we offer offer to the requester, that if you are not available, then you can make a substitute for you. Okay, you can
Okay.
add the substitute. Okay, so
Okay.
what will happen, like for example, you are the approver, okay, and since you are on leave, you want that I should take care of all my of all your approvers.
Mm.
So you can make me as a substitute in the system. So this
O-
is the transaction code to do that activity.
Okay.
Okay. If any of the approval user is not available, this will help that the substitute can also approve the invoice on behalf of the main approver.
Mm.
Okay. If even though you will maintain the substitute, right, the workflow will be triggered to both, to
Okay.
the main approver and to the substitutor. Okay.
Okay.
All COA entries needs to be maintained in tcode/opt/ar_COA. Okay. All
Mm.
charts of authority entries. So like all charts of authority entries basically means that whoever is a requester, sorry,
Okay.
whoever is the approver, then what is the limit basically,
Mm.
uh, against which GL account or cost center the workflow should be triggered and all.
Mm.
So everything, or the approval should be triggered, or so everything can be done in this transaction code
Mm.
/opt/ar_COA.
Okay.
This is the most important transaction code. Okay. Now
Okay.
here, if you see, if I have just executed it, you can see there are 4 tabs. Correct.
Mm.
Now user details basically. So this thing is very important. Even
Mm.
though for your PO approval, I think I also specified during the last class also.
Mm.
So whenever we discuss about the PO approval part, so
Mm.
here, like what happened basically, so like the user details, so you also, so whoever is the approver needs to be maintained in this particular table.
Mm.
If it is not available, okay, the user is not available, then you will always find an error in determining the approver or error in starting the workflow. You will always face this issue in the production system.
Okay.
Okay, so here this is very important. So whoever is the approver, whether it is a PO based approver or the non-PO based approval, needs to be maintained in this table.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like a SU01 thing, no? Like,
Yeah. So now what happens? This is not the SU01.
no, it's not SEO, but like similar to that, like
Correct.
text.
So this
Yeah.
is the OpenText Vim users. Okay.
Okay.
Now basically what we do, as part of the any of the support, or as part of any of the rollout or implementation project,
Mm.
we always create one custom program, okay, with the help of the SAP team,
Mm.
and whatever the users are getting available in SAP, okay, in that the
Okay.
same SU01 part, whatever you have told, right?
Yeah.
So, for example, like we have some user 01, 02, like that, we always have it, right?
Mm.
So, like if you see, when I executed, there are 500 plus users which is coming.
Yes.
But here in the open text, you can see only few of them are there.
Mm. Mm. Correct.
So we should always, so whenever any of the users, new users basically gets onboarded and come to the SAP, and they want to use the SAP, there
Mm.
should be one program basically which we always run it once in a day, so that whenever the new user gets onboarded and it is available in USR01, okay, then we should take those users and like in the program, and just add it in the /ors/user map table.
Okay.
So
So
this
it's
is
like
important.
adding up, populating the
So if you see
values.
here, whatever the information, whatever the in this table I have shown, these users are there, right? The same
Yeah.
thing is available. Can you see?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I can see. Yes.
Right? So this is the one basically.
Okay.
Here, what you need to do is, so whenever any users gets onboarded and it comes in your user 01, so based on it, you just take the information and upload it in here in this table.
Okay.
Okay,
So
here in
this.
this table, basically, you have to
Mm,
update the user object ID, the first name, last name, username, email
mm,
ID. Email ID is very, very important. If you will not put the email ID, then it will never work.
okay.
Okay, so for example, you are going with the implementation project. Okay, I'm just
Mm-hmm.
giving you one example. Now, what happened? For example, SAP is already there in one of the client. SAP is already there from the last 10 years. Okay,
Okay.
now you are implementing OpenText Vim for them. Okay,
Mm,
now what will happen basically? So, uh, like basically what this GRC team or the basis team basically do whenever they onboard the new users and they create the user ID, correct?
mm,
The SAP system, they don't maintain the email ID
okay.
because there is no meaning of having the email ID.
Yeah, yeah, it's yeah.
In the open text way, we have to make sure that the email ID should also be updated.
Mm,
So this is something which we always highlighted during the implementation project itself, that the basis team has to update the email ID across all the users.
okay.
If they will not do it, then you will not process the invoice further in the Vim. When I'm saying process the invoice further, this is specifically for the approval part. I'm not talking about the AP team can use it.
Okay.
Anyone can use it if their user IDs are not maintained here.
Okay.
Okay, except the approvers. Approval cannot be triggered if the user ID is not available here. So this is
Okay.
specifically for the approval part.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Clear. Clear.
So this is the first thing. So whenever we go with the any of the, see, obviously if we are going with the roller project, we should be always having the existing program, whoever has created it, and they
Mm,
like for the previous implementation project, and they have already created the logic in the system, or the existing program is there, which will copy the SAP user IDs and put it here in the user map table, right? But if we are going with the implementation project at that point of time, this is a manual activity which we have to perform it.
okay.
Okay, then we have the approval limit concept. This is a second
Mm,
tab, right? In the
no.
second tab, basically, what we need to do is we have to maintain the company code, the expense type, okay, then the approval level.
Mm,
This is what is this approval level. So what is this expense type? So like for all the non-pure scenarios, you have to put the expense type. So that is your unique identifier to trigger their workflow.
okay.
Okay, so like we have these four, five expense types. I can see it in the system, right?
Yes.
And in the
Yes.
approval level, we have the concept of the coder, requester, approval level 1, 2, 3. You can see how many are there. Sorry, there are total 10 level of
Thank.
approval which OpenText has given to us
Mm,
as part of the standard.
yeah.
Okay, now here, when I talk about this, now who is the coder? Coder is whoever is doing the indexing the line items, or entering the details, right?
Yeah.
Then who is the requester? Who has requested those services? Okay,
Mm,
this is a requester. Then approval level 1, 2, 3. These are the approvers. Coder and requester
mm,
can change the value basically in OpenText, in the Vim.
okay.
Okay, for example, if anything is not correct, they can correct it.
Mm,
Okay, that
okay.
authorization has been given by the OpenText. But for
Mm,
any of the approver, they cannot change anything. Either they will accept it or they will reject it. Okay.
okay. Okay. Okay. After it reaches the approval level one, though those people, they can only reject it or accept it. That's
Correct.
it.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So then after this, if you see here, then we have the amount limit, right? So what we have done is, so I have just put it as 0 here. Here I have put it 100. Here I have put it 1000, 3000, sorry. And here I have put it as a something, some very, very big number basically, which you will never think that amount will come even. Okay. So this is my last level of it. Okay.
Okay.
Now here what it happens, like 0 means obviously it is a coder, obviously, right? So that's fine. Then if the requester is 100, if the requester amount I put it as 100, so what does that mean? That from 0 to 100, it will be triggered to this one. So that
Okay.
guy will approve it.
Okay.
Okay. 100 to 3000, approval level 1 will come into the picture.
Hmm.
3000 to this, approval level 2 will approve it.
Okay.
Okay. So for example, here 3500 is the amount.
Hmm.
Okay. I have created the non-PO with 3500 amount. Right.
Okay.
Then what happened, like here what we need to like what will be the level of approval, so it will be go to the which level?
So it goes to the level 3. I mean, it goes first from coder requested up to level 1, 2, and 2 is the last person,
Correct.
right? Yeah.
If it is suppose 2950, then
It should be level 1.
till level 1.
Till 11. Sorry, till level 1. So level 1 will be the last
Correct,
person. Then.
correct,
Yeah. Okay.
right, clear,
Yeah, clear. So this is the maximum thing. So
right,
this value we are writing, right?
correct, correct,
Maximum limit.
right,
Okay. Not minimum, maximum.
okay. Then we have the COA details.
Mm.
Now in the COA details, here we are actually, so now if you see, there is a coder requester details and the approval details.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here in the coder details and all, you can have it like for example, here you have put it as a requester, and the requester GL account will be triggered for this one. This is something which is not so like I don't recommend this thing.
Okay.
We have the major concept of the approval details. Okay. In the
Okay.
approval details, basically what now I'm telling. So here, if you see, uh, what are the details which I am entering it? Obviously, everything is company code specific, right?
Mm.
The company code specific, then the approval levels, right? Then who
Yeah.
is the user IDs and all, right?
Yeah.
Then the expense type and the GL account center, whatever we want it. So if we want, if there's a requirement that for all the irrespective of what GL account or cost center is being entered, right?
Mm.
The workflow should be triggered to the approval level 1.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Then in such case, what will happen? Like, so there we can just put it as star or something in the GL account from and our cost center from.
Okay.
But if there is a requirement, no, I want that my user is different for each cost center and GL account.
Okay.
Okay. Then in such case, what we will do is we will then create, then we can add the GL account and the cost center accordingly. So for
Okay.
example, here if you see, like just compare this approval this number 1 and 2. Okay. Here
Mm.
it is approval level 1 and 2, correct?
Mm.
Now what I've done is I want that if the coder has entered the information of GL account as something 4 lakh and 1000 cost center, then my
Mm. Okay.
approval level 1 should be this user ID.
Mm. Okay.
If the coder has entered the GL account as 4 lakh and 2150 cost center, then my user ID should be then my approval level 1 should be this one, not this one.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
That is,
Yeah.
we are
Okay.
doing the
Based.
bifurcation.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Clear. Okay. So this cost center from to, like, we can put like 1,000 to, if we put like
Yes.
1,000 to 2,000
Yes.
something.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here, after this, so for this screen, basically, we have the setting in the system. Now, if you see
Mm-hmm.
here, the cost center, I don't want it from and to is required.
Okay.
This is the order from and to. This is also
Mm-hmm.
the internal order. Okay. I don't
Mm-hmm.
want it.
Mm.
Now, where I do this setting basically.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if I go to this table,
Mm.
if you see here, so can you see here? So this is how it is coming.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Now you can see this is a GL account. This is
Mm.
the order. This is the company code. This is the expense tab, and this is the cost center.
Mm. Okay.
Correct?
Yes. Okay, those are the tabs coming up.
Correct.
So if you put GL account, it has both from and to by default then.
If I will put
No, no, you have this title GL account, right?
right, right.
So we don't have this from to the
Correct. No,
there.
it's a
It
good
comes
option.
on.
Now I will
Yeah.
see. Now how will I come to know from and to is like here I cannot see it, right?
Yes.
Now in the GL account there is the last column called as allow ranges.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Now if I just remove it, okay.
Hmm.
Now see,
Okay. So yeah, it got removed then. Mm.
right? And same for the cost center, for example. This is the allow ranges.
Mm.
Saved it. See,
Okay.
this is how we do the control.
Fine. In the back end.
Okay.
Okay.
What are the details basically? We are just putting the one item like the table levels, right?
Okay.
That we are putting it, and then we are putting the invoice field. What is the field?
Field.
So in the one item, we have the HKONT called as a GL account.
Okay.
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 Then we have the sequence.
Mm.
Okay. Now what is the sequence? So sequence will only be triggered for the header and item level if we are using it.
Mm.
Okay. So here, for example, this is a company code, right? So this should come
Mm.
at the second level. This is coming at the second level.
Okay.
Then after this, I want the GL account should come. Then if
Mm.
you see here, the GL account is coming, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Then it should come the cost center. So if you see the
Okay.
fourth is the cost center,
Mm.
then my order should come. This is the fifth one.
Okay.
This is the sixth.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is how sequentially it is coming.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
And only these are editable, no? Like because I can see user mapping, all these are there, but those fields are not here. No?
Which one?
Yeah. Okay. Can you go to the other screen?
Yeah.
So yeah, the user mapping, object
This is the
ID,
standard part, right?
the other part.
Because
Okay.
because that is something which you cannot remove it.
Remove it.
If you will
Okay.
remove it, then how system will come to know.
System. Yeah. Okay.
So this particular table is for the
Mhm.
field maintenance, which field
Okay.
on which criteria basically we want to trigger it.
Okay.
Okay. For example, I don't want it company code level, so I will just delete the company code then,
Hmm.
right? Or else I want that with some other field basically it should come, right?
Hmm.
Then what I need to do is like this is my item, right? From the item table. So sorry, this is the item table. Now I have to put some invoice field there.
Okay.
Just hold on. Now this is the one basically field name. Okay.
Hmm.
So these are the some OpenText has given with this structure.
Okay.
I can select any of the things. Okay. I for
Hmm.
example I want it based on the plant also.
Okay.
Okay. I just add the plant, right?
Hmm.
Then for the plant, my invoice field is a WERKS,
Hmm.
right? And this is the plant.
Okay.
What field name I want, it should come. So like for example, I have just put it as plant name. And here I will need to change the sequence. I want it should come in the 6. Right? And that's it. I will just, okay.
Okay.
Now I will just save it. I have saved it. Okay. Now if you see here, plant name is come.
Ah. Okay. Fine. Fine.
Now I want that this plant name should also have an allow number ranges.
Okay.
I will just do it again, just do the same thing. And if you see, plant name from and to has come.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
So in this table, we are just doing the control. So it shouldn't be like whatever the fields you are seeing in the standard, you cannot have more fields. So
Mm.
you can have more fields, you can add it, but these are
Okay.
the fields basically which OpenText has given to
Open
us,
the recommends. Okay.
right? So this is something which we can add.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So this is how it comes basically.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then moving further. Okay. So I think I have discussed. Okay, I will just also show you the expense type table also slash ORS slash expense. Expense underscore type. Okay. So here this is the maintenance table. Okay. If I
Okay.
go here, if you see here, so these are the ways basically. So these are the expense types, and against which approval is required or not. So that flag basically we are setting it here.
Hmm. Fine. Okay. Here, if we want, we can add some more, whatever,
Yes.
we
Yes.
want.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay, got it.
if I will just deactivate this flag. So for example,
Hmm.
for standard, I don't want to trigger it.
Hmm.
So I can do it. I can just remove it. Then my exception will not be triggered of 250 processor.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Then moving further, now we have the invoice approval. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
so this is just a few important points which I want to highlight it. Then now invoice approval for any invoice approval. Okay.
Hmm.
I'm saying for any invoice approval. Obviously, I'm not counting the PO invoice approval
Hmm.
because PO invoice approval concept is different, and we have a single level of approval which OpenText recommends. Right. For the non-PO invoice approval, OpenText has given three different uh, level of approvals or different scenarios basically or types of approval.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, what are those three types? One is a header level approval workflow. Second
Hmm.
one is a sequential level, line item level approval, and the
Hmm.
third one is a parallel line item level.
Okay.
Header. So now, like let's do one thing. Let's do the bifurcation on the header first, and then the line item. So
Okay.
header basically what it means, did whatever the amount is there, based on it, it will just system will do the approval, will take
Hmm.
the approval and go for an approval basically, right?
Hmm.
uh, in the line item we have a two concept called as a sequential line item level approval, and third one and the second one is a parallel line item
Hmm.
level approval. Now what does that mean? Sequential line item level means that, for example, let me just go to the notepad. Okay. So, for example, let's do one thing. Let's go with first the header based approval.
Okay.
Okay. In the header based approval, for example, my gross amount is 5,000. Okay.
Hmm.
Now before I do this, I need to in my as per the business requirement, first I need to maintain the charts of authority or the DOA. Correct. So where I maintain the approval level limit and all. Correct. So what I
Yeah.
want is I have put it as a for coder it is 0, for requester it is 0.1 something. Okay,
Hmm.
because I want it for all the scenarios of requesters, like it should go to the requester first. You
Okay.
cannot put the same amount. Okay, this is also one of the important things.
Okay. Okay.
You cannot put the same amount. Okay,
Hmm.
and you have to sequentially put it. Coder first, requester, then you cannot skip it. Like the first is the coder, then you can go to the approval level.
Approval. Okay. Coder is sorry. Requester is a must then.
Coder also needs to, you have to put it.
Okay.
For level one, approval level one is suppose 1000.
Hmm.
Approval level 2 is 4000. Approval level 3, suppose 6000. Okay.
Hmm.
Approval level 4 is something, something the biggest number.
Like maximum. Okay.
Okay. This is something could be the CFO or CEO of the company.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now in the header based approval, let me just put it as this 10,000. Okay.
Okay.
Now what I want is like whatever the cost centers, like whatever it is being specific, like the cost center or GL account, my workflow should be triggered with this assumption, with this amount,
Hmm.
or with this limit. Okay. Now my gross amount is 10,000.
Okay.
Okay. Here, um, what will be the scenario basically? What will be the level of approval? Tell me.
So it'll be 10,000 means it's four level four only can is the maximum thing.
So first it will go to the requester.
Yeah, first it'll go to requester or first coder, like or
No, no. Okay.
it
So coder and requester basically it depends basically on our
can
setting.
be the same.
Let me
Okay,
let's do with the coder
okay,
requester. Okay. Then approval level,
one,
approval level 2, right?
yeah,
Approval level 3,
mm,
right?
yeah,
And also approval level 4.
four, yeah,
Clear?
yeah,
Right? Here I have entered, for example, cost center as 2000.
mm,
Okay. And GL account as 2000, suppose.
okay,
Okay. Now my gross amount has come as a 10,000, right?
mm,
And all the amount will be there in the 10 cost center 10,000 to this particular GL account 10,000 amount, right? So this will be my level of approval. Okay. Now here my what I have done in the setting is cost center 2000 slash GL account 2000. Okay. Then it should trigger to user 01
mm,
if cost center is 3000 slash GL account is 2000,
okay,
then it should trigger to user 02. So user 01 will be the first level of approval. Then user 02 will be the second level of approval.
mm,
User 03 will be the third level of approval.
mm,
And then user 04 will be the fourth level of approval. Correct?
okay, yeah,
Right. Here, the if it is a cost center 3000 and GL account 2000, then user 5 will be my first level of approval.
mm,
User 06 will be my second level of approval. User 707 will be my third level of approval, and user 08 will be my fourth level of approval. Clear?
Yeah.
This is what I have done in the charts of authority. Like in the COA, I have maintained it like this. This is my business requirement. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
I have maintained now the limits. I have maintained the users basically. Correct? Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Now here in this scenario, now tell me, header based approval. This is my cost center. This is my GL account, and gross amount is 10,000. Then coder requester. Then it should go to the user 01. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Or 04, 05,
01.
01, right?
Yeah, because 2000 is the GL account, cost center 2000. Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah, clear. So these users you are maintaining in that COA thing, no? That something you showed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
just
yeah.
telling you the concept as of now.
Concept. Okay. No, okay. No, they will be there, right? That's fine. Okay.
Second scenario of a header based approval again.
Okay.
Okay. Now here, cost center is 3,000. GL account is 2,000. My gross amount is 5,000.
Okay.
Now tell me what will be the sequential. Coder,
Oh,
correct?
yeah, coder, requester, user 5,
User 5,
user 6,
user 6,
and user 7. Because level 3 is the maximum 6,000, right? Yeah.
user 7.
Yes.
Right. Clear?
Yes.
Any
Okay.
questions?
Nothing. So it's based on the gross amount. So that is the main thing. Yeah. Okay.
Now third scenario. Now we'll make it a little complex. This is your clear, right?
Yeah, header based I'm clear. Yeah.
Okay, header base you are clear.
Yes.
Now I will tell you the scenario in the header base approval itself.
Okay.
Now you just tell me what should be the process. Cost center in my first line item, I have put cost center as 2,000,
Okay.
GL account as 2,000.
Okay.
Okay. In the first line item, my amount is 4,000.
Okay.
Second line item, now I am having a second line item concept. Cost center as 3,000,
Okay.
GL account as 2,000, and here my amount is 6,000. My gross amount, total gross amount at header level is 10,000. Now tell me.
Okay. So each of us is having different
Correct.
yeah.
Now tell me what will be my flow.
I think it'll go based on the first line item. So it will go to the coder requester and so user 1, 2, 3, 4 because 4 is the maximum. I know there are two different line items, so yeah, but not sure.
Okay. Now here comes a little tricky.
Yeah.
Right now, in the header based approval, what happens? It will consider, so for the approvals, right?
Yeah.
It consider. Okay, let's skip that particular part. So in the header based approval, it will check in the line item which is having the highest amount.
Okay. Okay.
Which is having the highest amount, which is the line
6,000. Oh,
6,000,
okay.
right?
Yeah.
So all the approval will be triggered
Hmm.
based on
Ah, okay. The highest amount. So
yes,
the which line item has the highest amount
correct.
based on. So suppose if both there are two line items which is having the same highest amount, something.
5,000, 5,000.
Yeah, something
Then
like
it will
that.
go for the first line item.
First one. Okay. 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 So this is it.
Okay.
Got
So in the header based approval, what happens basically? So it will check which line item is having the highest gross amount or the total net price.
it. Mm.
Okay. Then it will pick it, and based on it, it will like the approval will be triggered. Now, what is having it? It is having the 6,000,
Mm.
correct?
Yeah.
Now tell me, just do one thing. Let me make it more little bit more understandable part, because
Okay.
more example will be good basically in terms of understanding this concept.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now tell me here in this case. So here you can automatically change it. Like it will be some user 09. I will just put it, and here it could be user 10. Correct?
Yeah.
Now tell me what will be the level of approval. So first it will go to the coder,
Yeah. Coder requester.
requester, then
Then so which line item is having higher is the second one. So 6,000 minute. 3,000 cost center 3,000, right? Okay, so it'll be like user 5, 6, 7,
user 5. Yes.
5, 6, 7,
5,
8, and 10
6,
because it's above 8,000. Yeah, 7, 8, 10.
why? It is having the net price only as a 6,000, right? Then why it
Yeah,
will go to the other levels?
because that's the higher one, right?
Yeah. So we have already picked it the higher one, right?
Yeah.
But this cost center 3,000 is having the highest
Ah,
is the
okay, okay.
6,000.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, 6,000. Correct. Okay. Okay.
So it should go till
Okay, it should go until okay, 5, 6, 7, until 7,
hmm,
because 6,000 is the maximum that.
right. So
Okay,
this is
okay.
also needs to be understand.
Okay.
Whatever we have discussed it, this is wrong.
Mm.
This is wrong.
Okay.
It shouldn't. This is the header based approval. Okay. In the header based approval, the amount itself will consider as a 10,000 only, not the line item level. Only for the approval, it will just select it based on the line item, that
Okay.
which line item is having the highest amount.
Okay. Okay.
But the approval will be triggered for
Mm. Gross amount.
total header gross amount at the header level.
Header level. Okay.
So in this case, you are right. It should go to the user 10.
Mm. Okay. So the approval level it chooses based on the higher value in the line item. Okay, it goes there. But whereas the user's maximum it should reach is based on the gross amount.
Correct.
Okay. Fine.
Clear?
Yeah. Clear. But can the coder do two cost centers? Means can he
Total.
add two, for example, this 2,000 and 3,000 belongs to one company code 0101 or 1,000 something. So does the coder can enter for cost center 2,000, 3,000? Can he do?
No, he has to enter it, right? The details should also
Yeah.
should always be available to the either to the cost center or to the requester.
Okay, I don't know. Like in our system, when they try to do it, goes to the wrong mapping thing. So it created a big issue. Then yeah. So I thought, okay, yeah, okay, yeah, okay. Let me get clear this. Then I will see what is happening
Yeah.
there. Yeah, yeah.
So this
Okay,
is the concept of the header base approval.
okay,
Clear?
okay. Yeah, clear now.
This
So
is how
this,
it works.
fine.
Okay.
Mm,
So this is a part of the header base approval.
mm,
Now we will go to the system.
mm.
Now I have told you about the three types of approval, correct?
Yeah.
That we call it as the approval flow settings or approval flow types. Okay, so you will uh, if you go to any other organization or anything, so whenever you're working on it, like AFS ID is one of the concept basically to do all this configuration.
Okay.
That is a approval flow setting ID. Okay,
Okay.
which we created and which we assigned it to my DB doc types.
Mm,
Okay, now here I will go to the SPRO path.
okay.
So this is the invoice approval configuration. If
Mm,
I go here, go to the approval workflow, then here I am having the setup approval chain,
mm,
and this is my approval flow settings.
mm. Okay.
Okay, now these are the AFS ID.
Mm,
Okay, now if you see here, so this is a header based sequential. So like for example, I'm just open this. Okay, now when I open this AFS ID, okay, here we have, so this is the AFS type. So whatever
okay.
I was talking up to you, right, about
Yeah.
the types of approval. So
Yeah.
here it is, we are doing the setting.
Okay. This header based line based.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Now here I will select the header based approval as H. Okay.
Mm,
Then we have the approval class.
mm.
Okay. Now this approval class, basically, if you remember, this is transaction I told you about the for the PO based scenario. If you want have a multiple level of approval and all, then you can extend this particular user map class.
Yes. Yes.
So these are the settings basically. This is a standard class basically which OpenText has given.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Then after this we have the approval limit.
okay.
Now here this is the amount base. So here we have to like tell the system that which currency needs to be picked. Sorry, uh, whether it is a gross amount we should consider or the net amount.
Okay.
Okay. So you can, so it is up to you, but we always have the gross amount concept
Okay.
only.
That's a recommended one. Okay.
Correct. So that is the standard part. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have the COA currency. So in the COA currency, what exactly we do is uh, here we do the settings basically based on the company code currency we want to understand it, or it is a fixed currency. So basically we always recommend to have the company code default currency only.
Okay.
Right.
Which means whatever the company code has assigned that one, right?
Correct.
So that's the
Correct.
okay.
Because all my postings and all everything will be done in that particular currency itself.
Particular currency. Yeah.
Then after this we have the coder determination.
Mm.
Okay, here in the coder determination, so if you see here, there are coder determination scenarios.
Mm.
Like we want to select the coder determination by requester, by company code, both requester and company code, use requester. So this is what we are telling to the system. So if I will just select it that use requester,
Okay.
okay, then what it means that my coder and the requester both are same.
Okay.
Okay. If I will say no, I want to trigger my coder can be a different one, so I
Okay.
want to trigger to the some other level but that will be the manual work basically. So we always
Mm.
recommend that the coder and requester should always be the same.
Same. Okay.
Okay. If I want no my coder will be different for the different company code,
Mm.
that also we can do this settings. Okay.
Okay.
Then like if there is anything customization which we want to do it, so here we can assign the function model for the coder determination.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we have the rejection processing. So what if I have sent it for an approval, right?
Hmm.
And then if the approval reject it, right?
Hmm.
Then where should it go?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So so here we have a reject process type. So we have a three types. So for example, we are into the approval level 2 and approval level 2 has rejected it. So
Okay.
either it should go to the approval level 1. So there we will select this one step back.
Okay.
If we want it, no, it should be back to the initial coder.
Hmm.
So there we can just select the back to the initial coder.
Sure. Okay.
And if we don't, no, we just want to terminate the approval process completely.
Hmm.
And completely it goes to the AP processor. So then
Okay.
we will select this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then
Fine.
subsequent inherit COA and skip COA level. I think this is something which is also most important. I think this is subsequent inherit COA. If you will not select this one now,
Hmm.
sometimes what happened yeah, your next level of approval will not be triggered.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Okay, so this is also something which is most important thing.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
then we have the maintain invoice details and all. So here, what exactly we do is, like whatever the approval screen basically which goes, right,
Hmm.
which fields we want to make it as mandatory, or if we want that it should be in the display mode.
Hmm.
Obviously I'm just, whenever I'm saying this thing, right, so
Hmm.
I have also told you earlier that if it is going for the approval level 1, 2, 3, right, then
Yeah.
we don't have an authorization to change it.
Yeah.
Only for the coder and requester, whatever the fields we wanted to make it as a display field, input field, hide field, so we can do it here in this setting.
Okay.
Okay, and also here there's a concept of the device called as like in the web approval portal, mobile approval portal, Fiori approval. So here we can select it accordingly.
Hmm.
So for example, I want it in the SAP GUI when it goes, it should go with all the information. But for Fiori or for the web approval portal, I don't want to go all the details. I want that the few details should only goes to the requester. So
Hmm.
such type of settings we can do it here.
Okay.
Okay, so we have all the fields here.
Hmm.
Okay, now here, so this is the part of the AFS ID.
Okay.
Okay, so we can have a multiple AFS ID, right?
Hmm.
And like based on the AFS types. Then
Hmm.
once we create the AFS ID, then we do the mapping against my TP doc type.
Okay.
Okay, so for example, here, this is a DP doc type which I have created it, and I am assigning it to the
That
AFS.
number. Okay. Oh.
Now, for example,
Hmm.
there is also, so whenever I am just assigning it, right?
Hmm.
Now here there is one more important thing. Now in this DP doc type, my all the company codes are coming,
Hmm.
correct?
Yeah.
Now I want that it should be restricted to the company code specific, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Then so for example, for 1,000 company code, I want
Hmm.
that the header base approval should be triggered. Okay,
Okay.
but there is a requirement that where they want that, no, for the 2,000 company code, I want it should be the sequential level approval
Hmm.
at the line item,
Okay.
right? Then we can use the activate by custom function. Okay,
Hmm.
and here we can assign the logic and we can put the AFS function module,
Hmm.
and we can put it like for 1,000 company code, this AFS ID should be triggered. For this company code, this AFS ID should be triggered.
Okay. We can do the changes like
Correct.
based on these company code can try. It's okay.
Right. Okay.
Even though the same document type, but only the based on the company code, this
Correct.
AFS ID like header based, one for line based. Okay,
Correct.
like that. Okay.
Correct. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Great. Now, let me just try to see some example. Sorry. Mhm. I think last time I've created new one. Slash SPRO. Let's see. Maintain document type. I have created this one last time. Okay. Here now what I have to do is I have to add the 250 process time to trigger the workflow. Correct?
Mm.
That is not there here.
Yeah, it is not that.
Okay. I have to assign the logic. I will put it as 250. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will try to create one doc ID.
Mm.
Okay. Here the PO number is not there. Okay. So here 50,000 amount is there, and here 50,000 amount is there. Right. So I will just submit it. Two 61. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So it
Mm.
has so this thing is gets this doc ID gets created.
Okay.
Now I will go to my Vim workplace. Right.
Yeah.
So search for view 261. Right.
Yeah.
So here it has come with a suspected duplicate. Let me just change it,
Mm.
save it, simulate rules. Now here the approval required has not been triggered.
Mm.
Now here the expense type is PA,
Okay.
right? I have shown you about that table, right? Slash ORS expense type, correct?
Yeah, correct.
So here for PA, the flag is not set.
Ah, okay. Okay. So that's where the exception also not right.
So I will just put it as ST,
Okay.
save it, and sorry, and then click on simulate rules, and then approval has been triggered.
Ah, okay.
Clear?
Yeah, clear, clear. Okay. So PA, yeah, okay. The based on that check only this one will happen. Yeah.
Right.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Now I have to assign the requester email. So let me put my name itself. Okay. Let's first of all let's see
Mm.
what should be the levels of approval. Okay. What we have put it here in the AR underscore COA. So how system should behave. Correct. So
Yeah.
here if I go to the approval details, so sorry, first I need to go to the approval limit. So we are checking for the 1000 company code.
Yeah.
So it is a 50,000, so it should go to the approval level 2. Correct?
Correct.
If I go to the COA details, so I have put
That's
it as a
PetMed.
1000 plus cost center. So it
Yeah.
should go to this one and then to this one.
1,000 is a PetMed, right?
Sorry?
1,000, no, no. So it should go to that PETMAD, no? That's the
No, but
last.
this is the approval level 2.
Yeah,
First, it should
okay.
go to the approval
Yeah,
level.
but first it'll go there and then it'll go to here.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will just apply business rule.
Okay.
Let me just first see it. It's coming correctly. Yeah. Now I will apply business rule. Okay. Here I have applied the business rule, and again I will go back to my table label first. So document ID is 261. Right. So it has gone to the approval.
Okay.
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 So it has gone to the approval. So now I can see this 261 is coming. Correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Now to whom it has gone? It has gone to Access20. Correct.
Yes.
So I have put the requester email ID as Access20.
Yes.
Correct. Now I will just execute this, or else I can also go to the SBWP. Last time also I have shown you, right?
Yeah, it showed me. Yeah.
Right. So
Until
here
you.
it, so this is how it will come. So I will
Okay.
enter accounting information. I have entered it. So if you see here, this 1,000, 4,000, this thing is coming, correct?
Yeah, how it comes automatically?
All these details
Yeah.
from the Vim doc ID, right? Display DP. I have
Okay.
put it in the line items, right? So whatever I
Ah,
have
okay. You
entered,
add it in the line. Okay. 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 So I
so
think so.
it is coming automatically accordingly.
Okay.
Okay, now I want that this cost center, not the cost center, like for example, the amount basically no one should change it,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Then how will I do configuration?
Yeah.
Acha, first,
Something you should display and
okay, I
yeah.
think this will not work even. Like currently it has happened, but the
Hmm.
next level of approval will not work because I haven't assigned the AFS ID.
Okay. Okay.
I also need to assign the AFS ID. Okay, now I have
Okay.
assigned it. Okay, now here, if I go to the approval flow settings, right, in the
Hmm.
10 and in the maintain invoice details, so what I want is
Item amount.
item amount. What is this field? This is something proper underscore
Proper amount.
W value.
WRPTR.
Let's do simple. GL account is coming, right? I don't want,
Yeah.
there is a GL account, right?
Yeah. Here. It's in the detail item down after expense type.
So what I want is, so for this GL account, I want for the SAP GUI, it should come in the display mode
Display.
only.
Okay. Okay.
I have done the setting, right? Now I will just save it. See,
Okay.
clear? So this
Yeah.
is how the setting is coming.
Mm.
So based on the requirement, we can do this.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to approve it. Correct?
Yeah. So it goes to the next person then.
Right. We will see. So now it is going to the Daniel Irving.
Hmm.
Now who is this Daniel Irving?
Let me see.
This is the one.
Oh, this person. Okay.
It is going to correct approval, right?
Hmm.
Any
Correct.
questions? It is
How
going based on the cost center
cost
1,000.
center and 1,000. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Got
Correct?
it. Yeah.
I have an
How? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
No, no. How these things are coming? This override approver
This is a standard one.
standard. Okay.
Okay, so for example, there are multiple people are there, or the substitutor is also there. So here
Okay.
we can also search it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so here like nothing is being maintained. So I think I have to maintain the substitute also
Mm.
because I cannot approve it,
Mm.
right, for the
Okay.
Daniel Irving.
Okay.
So I have just approved it now. Okay,
Mm.
now it should go to the next level. It should go. It has gone to the
Then
Daniel
it.
Irving,
Then yeah.
right? So we can see it has with the Irving thing.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Mm. Yeah.
Now
Mm.
I have when I have executed this,
Mm.
I am having an authorization now. I can even do the changes. Now, why this thing is coming?
Yeah.
Because I have put the slash ors slash reassigned. Okay, so this is the one. So what is a user mapping ID for this Irving GD? So IRVG, right? So I will go here,
Mm.
select this, click on substitute, and here if you see this thing is here. I have added it,
Okay. Okay.
right? I will just delete this.
The substitute concept is like, see, for example, if for these 2 days, yeah, I'm acting as a substitute. Okay.
Hmm.
So after next day, I mean, on the third day, you're back. So I mean, then you removed my substitution. Okay. It means I'm no longer the substitute for you.
Right.
So will those items will be with me, or means will it allow me to get approved, or is it only that
After
in
3 days,
time? Yeah.
after 3 days, no, you
No.
cannot approve it.
Only the particular 2 periods I'm allowed.
Correct.
If it
So
when
if
it
you
is.
have maintained it for 3 days, then you are only eligible to approve it for the 3 days. So now what happened basically? So that's why I even told the same thing
Mm,
that whenever the workflow triggers, so for
yeah.
example, user A is there and
Mm,
user A has put the substitute for the user B.
okay.
Okay, then
Mm,
the workflow will be triggered to both the main
okay.
approver and the substitutor also. If the
Okay.
substitutor validity is expired in the next three
Mm,
days, then it has gone from his workflow, from that their workflow, from
okay.
substitute workflow. So it will only be there with the approver workflow or the
Okay.
approval user. Okay.
Okay.
So here I have just removed it. Now, if you see, you are not set up to approve this invoice. So this is how it
Mm,
comes. So it's not about that anyone can approve it, right? So
okay.
that guy cannot approve it now.
Mm,
Like I cannot approve it
okay.
for this ID. So I have to maintain the substitute.
Okay.
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 So here
Fine.
I just select for the XS20 and from two and you can maintain it here.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will again execute this and system has allowed me to go inside.
Mm,
Correct.
yeah.
Then I will click on approve. So you can see now the Peter Matson has come into the picture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now who is this Peter Matson?
Then that's the next one.
Right.
Yeah. Approval to, yeah. For the cost center 1,000.
You have
Yes.
understood it, right? So this is
Yeah.
how it works basically.
Okay. So this is how the header based thing works on
Correct.
that. If for some particular vendor we don't want all these approval thing, or will it get automatically posted, like not going all these, can we do something like that, or
I
is it
have
not?
right expense type part.
Yeah.
So if you can add the different expense type for the same vendor. So
Mm.
approval is getting triggered based on your expense type,
Expense time. Yeah.
right? So if the expense type itself, where it is, where you have tell to the system
Mm.
that for this particular expense type, I don't need any approval,
Yeah.
so that you can do the setting accordingly.
Yeah, yeah, that the check one, right? That you
Correct.
showed me
Flag.
PAST, all these were
Right.
there, and you remove.
Right.
Okay, okay, flag. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So that's
okay.
how basically it works. Why this thing hasn't come out? There is some issue with some of the user basically. I don't know.
Okay.
It is still in the approval. Okay, I don't know. It's not coming in the Vim workplace. Acha, can I be the part of?
So what is happening? It's not getting.
No, it's not coming in the Vim workplace.
It should not come, right? When it is completed means it get posted, no? Or,
It's not yet posted, right? Okay, substitute is also not maintained for this.
okay.
I think
Check.
this guy is having some issue, I believe.
Maybe check his email ID because I've
It-
seen.
it-
Yeah. Okay.
What is the email ID? No,
No,
everything
no.
is fine.
He's having a proper email ID, everything. No.
No,
Okay.
no,
Yeah.
how does it matter? It doesn't
Yeah.
matter basically
Mm.
about the email ID and all.
Okay.
Okay. So email ID, I have just put it at the random.
Okay. It
But
shouldn't
in the
be
system,
active or
obviously,
anything.
you should, no, 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 email ID doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, let me do one thing then. It should come to the Vim workplace at least. Then I could have shown you other things. 261.
Check in analytics where it is. Sometime which we enter solution as pet mad. Yeah. Ah, okay, it's not valid.
That is the issue basically.
Yeah, it's the issue.
Because this ID itself, this SAP ID itself is not available, it means.
Yeah, check in SU01. Like,
No, I think I am not having an authorization even. Alright. Does not
yeah,
have,
see, that's not. That's why.
that is the issue it is coming basically.
Mm. So
Not,
now this document got struck up, right? Like, how will you rectify it because of this user issue?
mm-hmm.
Somewhere this Vim doc ID is struck up, no?
We will try once. If it
Okay,
is not there, then we always ask the user to create the new one.
okay,
But we'll try.
okay. Awaiting approval.
Uh, no, actually, that user ID itself is wrong now.
Mm.
That has created the issue.
Yeah. I think it should be activated or like create a similar one and then try again.
Right.
You cannot create the users.
No, 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 I did not.
Okay.
Uh, let's do one thing. First, I think let me just change this guy basically. Let me change with Access 26. First, delete this 1000. Okay, I have added this one. I need to create again. Vim underscore 7x. Okay, 262 is created. Now let me go back to the Vim workplace. Oh, 261 has come now.
Okay.
Now here, now I will tell you one thing. So in such cases, basically, we have the recall option also.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we can also is currently logged by user. Okay. So here I can also recall it.
Okay.
Okay. If I have recalled it and then now the workflow will come fine. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see here, now the current agent is showing as a vSoft4. Acha, okay, sorry. I have just changed the Access 26 now. So this guy name is I think vSoft4.
Oh, okay.
So let me apply rules.
Maybe it got posted.
Okay, now we will see what is the next step. So it is coming to the current agent. Okay, now
Okay.
what has happened? I have actually due to some issue, right? So when I have recalled it, then automatically it has come to the AP team. So that is the reason it was showing to the Z underscore AP at that point of time.
Okay.
Okay, now I will just execute it again. Okay,
Okay.
and it has come for the. So since if you see here, this is having the change mode, right? So it means that it has come to the requester.
Okay.
Correct. I will just approve it. Right.
Oh, okay. It again goes from the start then.
Right.
Okay. 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 When you recall it, it goes again from the start.
No, ideally it doesn't happen basically. Yeah, yeah, sorry. Okay. The recall, if we are recalling it, then what does that mean? That the AP team is recalling it, so it has come to the AP team. Okay. Here I will also show you one more important thing of the rejecting. So now if you see, this is the approval level 1. Okay. because it is coming in the display mode, right?
Okay.
Now I will just approve it. Now it is going to the access 26.
Okay.
Correct? It is
Yeah.
going to the correct one,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I will approve it,
Hmm.
right? And then again search for this one and again execute this and click on approve. And if you see, nothing is
Hmm.
there,
Yeah. Okay.
right?
So you're the final
I
thing.
am the
Yeah.
final one. Yes, I am an
Okay.
access 26. So this guy, so
Hmm.
I am the final authorizer, final administrator.
Hmm. Okay.
Now what I'm trying to show you here,
Hmm.
that 10 EFS ID, which I have
Hmm.
assigned it. So
Hmm.
there is an option of the reject process type, right?
Yeah.
So back to initial coder, I just want that it should go to the one step back only.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now if I just reject it, then see in the rejecting I have to put the comment also. It's
Okay.
mandatory because there should be reason, right? That
Yeah.
why
Yeah.
this thing has been rejected. Right.
Hmm.
Now if you see, now it
Hmm.
has come to which user? It has come to the previous user.
Previous one. Okay. Okay. So
Correct.
yeah, got it.
Now
Hmm.
I will approve it.
Hmm.
Okay. Now it will again go to the access 26. Correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Now what
Hmm.
I will do is I will just put it as the act to initial coder.
Hmm.
Now we'll see what will happen. Now if you see here, I will just execute this, and then if I just reject it, okay, here if you see, this is the final one, correct?
Hmm. Hmm.
So if I will reject it, then it should go to reject, continue, right?
Yeah.
So now we will see where it has come. The current agent is now access 20,
Okay.
correct? So
Yeah.
it has come to the back to the initial coder,
Hmm.
and coder and requester both are same.
Same. Yeah.
That is the reason why it has come to me, correct? Now I want, so I will again go execute this, right? I will just approve it, correct?
Yeah.
Approve. Again, I will execute this,
Hmm.
again approve. Now it is going to the access 26,
Hmm.
correct?
Yes.
Now what I want is that it should go to the directly to the AP user,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So if I just execute this, now when I click on approve,
Hmm.
I can see there is no approval. This is the final one, right?
Yeah.
Now I will just reject it. We'll see. Now if you see, it has come to the
Go to
AP
the
user.
AP one. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Clear. Got it. Got it. So
Right?
based on that setting, how the rejection
Correct.
works. Okay.
Correct. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So this is what I want to show you.
Hmm.
Then now what we will do is in the same document, I will try to create the scenario of the third one, which we are discussing it.
Hmm.
Right. So for example, I will put as this 10,000. Go to the line items.
Hmm. For
4,000
items.
this one. Copy lines, and we'll change, this will be my 4,000 and this will be my 6,000, right?
Hmm.
Then
Cost center.
yeah, cost center. what I am using here in the AR underscore COA. Now we will see the approval level limit also. So for 1000, so here we have 100, 3000, and this one, right? So here I will just change to the 0.1, right? And here I will make it as 5000, for example. Okay. Then we have the okay, cost center. I need to see it in the COA details, approval details. We have a 2150 also, correct? So this is the one, 2150. What? 2150. Why is this?
Why the cost centers are coming?
Someone has deleted it. It's there, right?
Yeah, it's there, but why? Like the search was not showing up.
Don't know. Okay. So here I have just put it like this way.
Okay.
Now what should be the behavior of the system? So for the header based, it will first check the maximum
Yeah.
amount.
Yeah.
Here it is a 6000, right?
Yeah.
So now all the approval should be triggered for the cost center 2150,
50. Yeah.
correct? So
Yes.
here, what is the 2150 cost center? So according to which the approval details should be like this one, SAP HANA Vim and then Access 26,
Yeah.
correct? So it should
Correct.
go to the SAP HANA Vim first, right?
Yes.
Now I will just apply rules.
261.
Right, then I just first it will come to me access 20 because I am the requester. What happened?
Okay.
Okay, so here it has come to me first,
Yeah.
right? I will just execute this, correct?
Yes.
Now I will just approve it, right? Now it has come to the vsoft one.
Yeah. It's a 2150. Yes.
Now what is vsoft one? SAP HANA Vim, SAP HANA Vim, this is the
Yeah.
name.
It's a two. Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
It's working
Got it.
fine, right? So it
Yes.
has not taken it has not taken the first line item at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
It has taken the second line item,
Mm.
like for which the gross, like for whatever the line item, the gross amount is higher,
Yeah.
correct? So now I
Correct.
will click on approve, right? Then it should go to the this guy, Access 26,
Yes.
vsoft one, right? So after this, I will approve it. Then it is going to the Access 26, correct?
Correct.
So it is working fine,
Yes. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
right?
Based on our
Now you
concept.
have asked me one more question, that if the what if the amount is same, right?
Yes.
So I will just reject it. Okay. Now it has come to the AP team. right? Now the line items, what I will do is I will put the 5,000
Hmm.
and 5,000.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
I will save this and apply rules. Clear?
Yeah. So it goes for now the first line item.
We will see.
Yes.
Now it has come to the first that requester,
Hmm. Access 20.
right? Now
Hmm.
it's going
Okay.
to the Daniel Irving.
Daniel Irving. Yeah.
Clear?
Clear.
Has gone to the first level of like first line item first. If the amount
Hmm.
if amount is same.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Any questions?
No, no. So mostly the coder will get this automatically, right? Not that they don't have to type all these things, values or anything. So
Which one?
no. When it comes to the coder to for approving,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Go. Can you go back? Cancel.
Hmm.
Yeah, these things. This GL account, these cost center value, item
So
amount, person.
so see, like it is a responsibility of the AP team to enter it.
Okay. I don't know. Here, I mean, the one I'm working, the person who is doing the coding, right? He enters all these things. That's where I was like, why he is doing this job? But anyways,
No, no, the
it,
coder is also having the responsibility.
okay.
You mean to say the AP team doesn't enter anything, they just send it to the coder or the
Yeah,
request.
they just send it the coder. Actually, I'm getting a support issue because the coder sometimes no. Here it is debit, right? They put minus and then send it back. Something like that is happening.
Hmm.
So yeah, they were saying like then that's what I was thinking. Why the coder is doing all these
So the
putting
coder is
mine?
having an authorization. Coder can change it. That's why I'm saying it here, right?
Okay,
First, the workflow gets triggered to the coder, and then
yeah,
coder can enter the details physically.
okay, fine, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So here,
Hmm.
okay, one more thing.
Hmm.
I have also told you that about the uh, amount also, right?
Yeah.
That if, so for example, here in this example,
Hmm.
right? So till 5,000,
Hmm.
correct? Approval level 1 can approve it,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Uh, so here, if you see here in this example,
Hmm.
right, I am just changing the 4,000 and 6,000,
Okay.
or else let me just do one thing. Let me just put it as a 5,000 itself. What I was trying to say is, okay, so till 5,000, approval level 1 only should approve it, correct?
Hmm. Yeah.
As per this configuration, right?
Hmm.
But now we will see it whether it is going on the header level gross amount or not. Because my header level gross amount is 10,000,
Yeah.
but my first line items amount is 5,000 only.
Correct.
Ideally, it should go to the approval level 1 only, right?
Yes.
But as I told that it should go to the next level also because it
Yes.
should go with a header level,
Be, yeah.
right? So we
Be,
will
yeah.
just re-verify it whether this thing is happening or not, right? So
Mhm.
Daniel Irving has come,
Mm.
correct? Now I've
Yeah.
refreshed it, execute. See, it is going to the next level.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So as you explained earlier. Okay.
Right. So it is going based on the header level gross amount,
Gross amount. Yes.
not based on the line item gross amount.
Yes.
The
Yes.
non-net item gross amount is just to uh, like system will just identify it that
Hmm.
which gross amount is having the highest amount. It will
Hmm.
just pick it and will pick those cost center and GL account.
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Clear. Yeah. Got clear.
So this is the completely part of the header base approval,
Database. Okay.
right? So that is what we have discussed it here,
Mm.
correct?
Yes.
Then we have the item label also. We are
Mm.
having it. Okay.
Okay.
So, for example, let's do one thing. Let's continue from
Mm.
tomorrow on this
Okay.
line item levels.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Then we will discuss it further. So we
Okay.
will
Fine.
complete this non-PO part tomorrow.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Okay. So here, if you see, like we have discussed all these things.
Yes.
I will discuss the other scenarios basically just to show you what exactly it means basically because you should be having the idea, right?
Yeah.
So that is something I will just share one example and all. So we will discuss it tomorrow,
Okay.
and then after that we will just complete this one non-pure part.
Okay. Means you mean that line-based one,
Yes,
right?
right.
Line-based.
So
Okay.
like I have explained you for the header base, right?
Header-based, yeah, I'm clear now.
So
Yeah,
now
header
the
level.
sequential line item level approval and parallel line
Yes.
item level approval, basically how it works and what is the functionality basically.
Function. Okay.
So I will just explain it in the into tomorrow session.
Okay. No.
Okay, tomorrow same time.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah,
No
same.
problem. Thank you
Bye.
very much. Speak to you. Bye.